So it's been about 2 weeks straight of using the iPad Pro M4, and I got to tell you guys, this iPad is freaking awesome. I wanted to do a sound test mixed in with some more gaming right after so you can really hear how loud this tablet is. I mean, the thing is booming, and you're going to see that in just a second. Of course, if you guys wanted to learn more about the M4, there will be some links below in the description. Don't forget to tap that like and let's run it.
You heroes, you're just people. And what are people? Sheep, suckers, pawns. So easily lost in the darkness. But who knows, maybe you'll surprise me. It? Come on, you guys can do better! Earth's depending on you.
This, I wanted to recommend you guys check out Ignition Poker. You know, I think most of us enjoy playing poker in our free time, and this is a great place to do just that. I've currently been playing on Ignition for the last 7 years and regularly tear things up at the mid-stake games. They've got amazing software for playing on your phone or PC and also offer you the ability to play both free and real money games. And with lots of cash games running 24 hours a day and millions of dollars in monthly tournament prizes, you should be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I need to check out Ignition Poker ASAP. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about them, there will be some bonus and resource links for them directly below in the description of this video.
Damn it.
puedes esconder.
Here we go.